Most people do not realize this when they first start. Every successful trader must survive a very specific painful phase. This is the moment where nothing seems to go right. Your confidence gets destroyed over and over by the market. You start questioning if you are even built for this. I went through it, and my mentor went through it. Every consistent trader I know has walked through this fire. People quit here because they do not understand the journey. Nobody warns you about the emotional hell you must walk through. Everyone talks about the freedom, but no one mentions the pain. I want to tell you the truth about this difficult phase. If you are struggling right now, you are actually on schedule. My mentor told me every trader goes through 3 phases. Phase 1 is the fun phase where everything looks easy. You feel like a genius after every single small win. Every chart looks like an opportunity to get rich quickly. Reality hits, and you enter the second painful phase. You blow money much faster than you ever thought possible. This phase forces you to confront your own bad habits. It exposes everything you try to hide from your own self. Let me tell you about a guy named Jordan. He was smart and disciplined, but his first months were brutal. Every time he won, he lost twice as much later. He asked me why he was still losing money daily. I told him the market had not humbled him yet. You are doing what you think is right, not truth. The painful phase forces you to confront your own ego. Then there was Malik, who wanted a better life. Every time he learned a strategy, the market punched him. He thought he was cursed after losing 200. I told him he was just paying his trading tuition. You pay with frustration and the parts of yourself unready. You don't become profitable when you master a chart strategy. You become profitable when your emotional maturity finally catches up. My friend Ethan was a math genius and logical thinker. He understood patterns but had zero control over his emotions. He knew exactly what to do, but he never did. Knowledge is often ahead of your discipline in this phase. That specific disconnect is where all of your pain comes from. Sophia was methodical and organized, but trading still broke her. She held a losing scalp for 3 long, painful hours. She did not want to feel the pain of being wrong. Trading exposes insecurities you did not know even existed. It is not the money you lose that hurts most. It is the parts of yourself you finally face. I once blew an account out of pure emotional stupidity. My mentor asked me why I really took that trade. I tried to explain logic, but it cut me off. He asked what the actual emotion was behind the button. I took it because I felt the market owed me. Most trades happen because of deep emotional discomfort inside. You think trading is charts, but it is actually you. Another trader named Raymond felt the market punished his joy. I told him it punished him for forgetting the rules. Success is about staying disciplined whether you feel good or not. A younger trader named Drew constantly compared himself to others. I told him, you never see the painful phase on Instagram. Every successful trader has cried over a trade at least once. They felt lost and doubted every single choice they made. If you feel that way now, you are exactly right. My mentor said plateaus are where real mastery is developed. Nothing happens on the outside, but everything changes on inside. You are currently rewiring your habits and your emotional reactions. You are developing the patience required to survive the long game. Brianna were harder than anyone I have ever seen. She felt defeated because her results were not changing yet. Change in trading happens slowly and then all at once. One day, everything clicked, and she finally felt truly calm. The market shaped you before it gives you the results. You must become the person who can handle the success. The painful phase turns a hobby into a real transformation. It teaches you to take a loss without falling apart. You learn to hold a winner without feeling any panic. Sergio felt like he was climbing a mountain with no end. I told him he was the mountain he was climbing. You are not battling the market. You are battling yourself. Trading is 10% strategy and 90% your character. The market will break you down to build you back up. It is not supposed to be easy for anyone to master. If you feel stuck right now, you are not failing. You are being shaped into a consistently profitable trader today. One day it will click and you will look back. This painful season is exactly what will build your future. The painful phase is the sign that trading is for you. If it was not for you, you would have quit already. Master your own mind, and the markets will follow you.